Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to make a video for your clients, specifically a video that can be used to advertise via project, or a video that can be used to showcase a service like a course or an organization. So type app.animaker.com on your browser now. You can see this. So once you type this on your browser, you click on this link, it will actually take you down to the website. So now I'll continue here. I'll create an account now. You will also have to create an account. So guys, these are the 4 sections of accounts you could create. I want to create an account on agency. I'll put individual, on freelance. So now presentation video, marketing video, advertising video, and social media video. Done. Yes, I want to team actually. So I'll click on done. So yeah, so we are here now guys. Here is either you should build a design from scratch or you should pick a pre-made video. So now I want to pick a pre-made video, then I will edit it for you to see how it works. Okay guys, I want to create from blank. I want to create a blank, yes, this horizontal video. So there are 3 types of video: there are horizontal video, vertical video, and square video. So anyone you want to pick, you click among the 3 options before proceeding to your design section. So now we are in, you click on let's go, then skip to top. So now I will start editing. So guys, I added a background here. So now the next thing I want to do now is I want to create a character. So the character is male. Okay, I want a character that looks business type. So I think this guy will do. Okay, firstly I'm going to choose here. I think this is okay. Okay, I prefer here to be black. I think we are okay. Continue editing. So the next stage is the head shape, face shape, sorry. Okay. So guys, the next thing now is facial hair. I want to add a little bit there, like I show you a businessman. Firstly I want to add a black hair, and I will go for which one should I go for. Okay guys, I picked a facial hair. So now the eyes, I'm picking a eye. Yeah, I'm picking this color, and let me look for yes, I think I like it. So now the next thing is eyebrow. I want to reduce the eyebrow to the one I like. So I think this, let me check this out. Okay, guys, do you agree with this? Yeah, I agree. Okay, now the next thing is the nose. I did the nose. I don't want it to be too big. I don't want it to be too small. I want it to be natural. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, good. So good. So guys, there's a scroll down section here. I can scroll down to ears. Can you see guys? Ears, outfit. This is an outfit. I want to change the outfit to something like a suit. a suit that is okay. So guys, I just changed some things in my avatar's body. So now it's I want to work on the glasses, so I have to pick one. I can pick this. I'll keep looking now. Let's find the eye chart. Yeah, I love this. Okay, this is good. So now yes, the tie. Okay, so guys, I actually pick a neckwear right now for my avatar because you know guys, it's winter. So I will say now. Yes, save it. Now I'm done editing my avatar. Then dashboard. So guys, to click on your avatar that you have been creating since, you click on this button here, my character, then you select. As you can see, it's already here. So now, since I have my avatar here, we delete one because I need one. So guys, as you can see this action section, you click on your avatar, then you look fast. You see these two buttons in action and expression. This action I want to type greeting. Greeting. Okay. Alright. Hello guys, so in the expression I pick happy face. As you can see, it's implemented on my avatar, and in action I click on walking. As you can see here, I click on this, then it's implemented on my avatar immediately. So good. So now the next part. Hello guys, I already added all the content I wanted to be in the design. So the next section now is to add song. You will go to this section. Can you see this music? You click on music. So the song I searched earlier was Never Stop Believing in You. So I'm going to click on the song. After clicking on, can you see music track added? Good. So now I'll play. Okay, now can you see this place, guys? I want to add another scene. Guys, we are good to go. I'm done. Can you see? Yeah. So guys, we did it all. So you can see the video. Kindly subscribe now, turn on the notification bell, comment, like and share my video with your friends. So guys, this is how to make a video on Animaker. So I want you to go down to my video description. I will add Animaker link there for you to sign up easily, and I'm giving 3 products a bonus. It's a giveaway actually. I'm giving them out as a giveaway price, so about 50% off each product. So please do check those products out in my video description. Thank you very much and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.